What is innate activation therapy? Innate activation therapy is a treatment that works to improve the body's natural ability to heal itself, instead of using medication or machines. This therapy focuses on enhancing our body's natural healing power. Our bodies are designed to repair and restore health on their own. And innate activation therapy is all about unlocking that power. Specifically, it aims to improve nerve function, which plays a crucial role in how well our body functions as a whole. By balancing and optimizing the nervous system, the body's innate healing abilities are activated, helping it naturally recover and improve without outside intervention. The reason why innate activation therapy has gained attention recently is because it's helpful for tackling modern-day issues like chronic fatigue, stress, and discomfort. Many people deal with persistent aches, like neck and back pain or trouble sleeping. This therapy provides relief from these problems by utilizing the body's own recovery systems, supporting a healthier lifestyle without relying on medication. History and origins of innate activation therapy. Innate activation therapy originated in the early 20th century in the United States during a period when people were exploring treatments that focused on natural healing rather than medication. The idea behind this therapy is to help individuals tap into the healing power they were born with, hence the term innate. This approach emphasizes harnessing the body's natural recovery capabilities to enhance health and well-being. While it started in the U.S., innate activation therapy later spread across Europe and Asia, and became known in Japan in the 1980s. With increasing interest in alternative health practices, this therapy grew in popularity, especially as more was understood about how the nervous system impacts both physical and mental health. In our stressful modern society, people increasingly look for natural ways to care for their health, and innate activation therapy offers just that. Effects of innate activation therapy. The benefits of innate activation therapy are physical as well as mental. For physical benefits, this therapy can alleviate chronic pain, especially in areas like the neck, shoulders, and lower back. These kinds of discomfort often result from imbalances in the nervous and muscular systems, and innate activation therapy helps restore that balance, which can lead to significant improvements in pain management and overall comfort. Many people also report improved circulation, better energy levels, and a sense of lightness after treatment. On the mental side, innate activation therapy can relieve stress and anxiety and promote deep relaxation. By balancing the nervous system, it helps calm both the body and mind. As a result, many people find their mood lifted and report sleeping more soundly, making them more resilient to daily stress and better equipped to handle life's demands. The advantages of innate activation therapy. One major advantage of innate activation therapy is its focus on natural healing. By optimizing the nervous system, this therapy encourages smooth circulation and oxygen flow throughout the body, which can accelerate healing. Since it doesn't rely on strong medications or intense physical manipulation, there's a lower risk of side effects, making it safe for most people. Another benefit is the potential for an improved quality of life. People who receive innate activation therapy often find that they have less discomfort and more energy. The relaxation aspect of the therapy also helps promote a balanced mind and body, which can lead to better sleep quality and a generally more positive outlook on life. How innate activation therapy differs from other treatments. Innate activation therapy is distinct from other treatments, like massage or chiropractic adjustments. While massage and chiropractic work typically focus on releasing tension in the muscles or adjusting joints, Innate Activation Therapy emphasizes improving the overall nervous system. Instead of focusing only on specific areas of pain, this therapy treats the body as a whole, aiming to improve its natural balance and support long-term health. Similarly, innate activation therapy is different from practices like traditional Eastern medicine or yoga. Eastern medicine often focuses on balancing the body's energy or chi through techniques like acupuncture, while yoga involves movement and breathing exercises that individuals practice themselves. Innate activation therapy, on the other hand, is provided by a practitioner who uses gentle techniques to adjust and balance the nervous system, allowing the client to fully relax. The process of innate activation therapy. Innate activation therapy sessions are usually gentle, involving light touch, rather than strong pressure or manipulation. Practitioners use their hands to sense the flow of nerves and any tension within muscles. This gentle approach helps clients relax deeply and often leads to a feeling of warmth and ease throughout the body. The process begins with a consultation to understand the client's lifestyle, concerns, and any areas of discomfort. This information guides the therapist as they work on balancing the body's nervous system. Often, the full benefits are felt after a few sessions, as the body gradually adjusts to the treatment. After each session, clients are encouraged to rest and let their body absorb the treatment. Who is innate activation therapy best for? Innate activation therapy is especially beneficial for people struggling with chronic pain like shoulder, neck, and lower back issues, as well as those who experience fatigue and stress. By restoring nerve balance, this therapy can help relieve discomfort and stress, while supporting relaxation and resilience to life's challenges. The therapy is also suitable for people of all ages, from children to seniors. Its gentle nature makes it accessible for those with sensitive skin, lower physical strength, or those who may be wary of more intense forms of treatment. Because it's not physically demanding, people with various health conditions, including growing children and older adults, can benefit safely from this therapy. Potential side effects and precautions. While innate activation therapy is generally safe, some people may experience mild effects such as muscle soreness or fatigue after a session. This is known as a healing reaction, which is the body's natural response to treatment as it begins to adjust and recover. Typically, any soreness or fatigue fades within a few days. However, if symptoms persist, it's best to consult the practitioner for further guidance. Those who are pregnant or have specific health conditions, such as heart disease or osteoporosis, should consult their doctor before trying this therapy. While it's gentle, each person's health needs are unique, so checking with a healthcare provider ensures that the therapy is appropriate for their condition. After a session, clients should avoid strenuous activities to allow the body to rest and fully benefit from the treatment. Real-life examples and testimonials. In real-life cases, many people with desk jobs or other sedentary work environments find relief from long-standing neck, shoulder, and back pain through innate activation therapy. By relaxing and balancing the nervous system, circulation improves, which often eases tension in muscles and boosts energy levels. Client testimonials are very positive, with many reporting feelings of relaxation, improved sleep, and relief from chronic pain. Some even say that they feel more balanced in both body and mind, finding it easier to handle daily stresses and live comfortably. This positive feedback highlights the therapy's impact on both physical and mental well-being. Tips for getting the most out of innate activation therapy. To get the most out of innate activation therapy, it's essential to communicate openly with your practitioner about your lifestyle and any physical concerns. During the session, focus on breathing deeply and staying relaxed, as this will help your body respond better to the treatment. In daily life, you can maintain the benefits of this therapy by being mindful of good posture, finding moments to relax, and including gentle activities, like stretching and deep breathing in your routine. Good sleep habits are also key, as sleep supports the body's natural healing processes, enhancing the overall effects of the therapy. Innate Activation Therapy, along with these simple, healthy habits, provides a gentle yet effective way to improve your body's natural resilience and enjoy a healthier, more balanced life. How did you like the video? At Healthy Horizons, we bring you the best tips on eating smart and living strong, with carefully curated health and wellness insights. If you enjoyed this, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our next video. See you next time.